it's Melissa with Big Universe Music, and welcome to your guitar lesson on Horse with No Name by America. This is one of the first songs that I love to teach all of my guitar students, and that's because it only needs 2 chords, and you can make the strumming pattern simplified by doing the same strumming pattern through the whole song, or you can add a little flavor and change it up later on. Let's start by talking about the chords that you're going to need in this song, and if you need to know what they look like, make sure to grab the PDF that's attached in the download below. The 2 chord shapes we're going to use in this song are the E minor chord, which is on the 2nd fret, string 4 and 5, and then this really crazy chord, which is very guitar-like. It uses a lot of open strings and has a silly name called D6/9. That means it's a D chord with an added 6th and the 9 in the root. If you don't know what any of that means, that's totally fine because it sounds like this and it looks like this. What's really great about this one as a first guitar song is that you can play the E minor chord on string 4 and 5 and then simply just open those peace fingers up to strings 3 and 6 for the chord change. So very easy to change chords in Horse with No Name. Let's talk about strumming pattern for this song. I'm going to do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that helps if you're just getting started to keep it nice and simple. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Keep it nice and playful and light, and that's going to give you that hopping Horse with No Name feel that we're trying to get. You're going to play the E minor chord for 2 sets of down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. If we were counting, we'd count it as 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 4 beats equals 1 measure. You're on the E minor chord for 1 measure. Then we're going to open up to that crazy D6/9 chord, down, down, up, down, down, up. Same thing. I like to start adding the singing in at the chorus because you don't need to remember any of the words. It goes la, 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 flavor to your strumming pattern, keep the down, down, up, down, down, up on the E minor, pause on the first down strum of the D6/9 chord, and then do a little up, down, up, down, up, down, up, skipping there. That sounds like this. Pause, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I think you've got it. Just 2 chords. It's really easy to master. So let's try playing the first verse and the chorus of the song together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all of the light. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rings. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. Oh, have fun playing Horse with No Name, and I will see you in your next guitar lesson.